In the studio, you have the opportunity to work on something forever. You know, keep reworking, keep fixing, moving. But, you know, depending on the size, use the time appropriate for the size that you're working on. Because sometimes you might be spending a lot of time, and that time is only because decisions aren't being made rather than needing it. So work at a fair pace. You don't have to be in a rush, but work at a pretty good pace. Make your decisions, move on. Make your decisions, move on. You know, I'll tell myself too as I'm painting, you know, to help me make those decisions is I'll say, you know, this is the best painter I am right now, today. You know, once I paint this painting, of course I'll know it better and I'll paint it better and move quicker, but you don't want to be frozen by decision, by having to make decisions and having that freeze you or slow you down. I try to work at a similar pace as if I was outside.